Let's start by removing this cover. There are tabs all around this plastic piece, so unlock them one by one from top to bottom. This might be tricky at first, but it's easy once you figured it out. So this is what the parts look like. There are tabs all around this plastic piece. This is the fill bolt and the drain bolt is down below. With a help of 8 mm Allen, unscrew the top fill bolt. I have done here already. Remove the fill bolt. Now with a 19 mm, drain all the oil. This is what the dirty gear oil looks like. Clean the area properly with a paper towel. Tight your drain bolt back on. Do not over tight this. Now here I am using this Dakams 8TW90 gear oil. This is my setup to pour the oil to the gearbox. This will help with easy filling the gear oil. Now pouring the gear oil slowly.